I have never felt this blue, man. Man, I was really praying for that girl. I mean, really. I'm fasting and stuff. I was really praying for that girl. Jesus Christ, you guys, you don't even understand how this shit feel. It's rough out here, yo. It's rough out here for that girl trying, man. She is trying. You know what I mean? I got daughters, you know? She doesn't deserve a day away from her son, man. I swear. I mean, the reason why I'm emotional, you don't understand. You will never understand this. It's rough out here for these sisters, man. You seen these kids out on these streets begging? You know, she's just trying to make all that. Damn, man. Listen, folks, I was on Twitter cussing at everybody. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about it, old man. But, have some empathy, man. Have love in your hearts, man. You need to have feelings, man. You need to, I know there's different levels. I know there's the law, but listen, God knows. I was on Twitter when I was cussing folks on there fighting, and I seen the news that they backed up. That woman, her son though, you don't even understand. I spoke to the dude and